Hey, what's happening everybody? Welcome back. So today we're taking a look at a new GoPro action mic for the GoPro Hero 4, and that's the Sennheiser MKE2 Elements, and here it is. Give you guys a closer look at what it looks like. So this is the mic, it's a windscreen, and this is the USB cable that plugs into the side of the GoPro's USB port, and this is like a back door, so it attaches to the GoPro's waterproof housing just like that. So GoPro actually made this mic an official works with GoPro action mic. So, you know, Sennheiser passed the whole verification process, and this is the first official GoPro mic made by Sennheiser. So we're going to be doing a few tests today to show you how well this mic works, but first I'm going to show you how to get it all attached and just give you a few more details about the mic. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get the mic attached to the waterproof housing. Everybody knows how to do this. It's the same way you've always been doing it, just like that, and pop it in. So now it's attached. Now we could just get the mic attached to the USB port, just like that. And then you want to make sure that that plastic piece is actually facing forward when you put it into the waterproof housing. And then the mic actually comes with this spacer. It comes with two, and you kind of want to put it in here so that when the GoPro's sitting inside the waterproof housing and this back door's attached, the GoPro doesn't move around. Now, if you wanted to, you could use an external battery pack here too. There is enough space for that, so if you have an extended battery pack, you can use that, but I don't have one, so I'm going to use this spacer, and then just make sure the wire's inside and lock it in. Just like that. Cool. So let's talk a little bit about this mic setup. So this whole setup is waterproof, which is really awesome. You can take it in surfing, you could go kayaking, you could dunk it underwater if you want. I believe you can only go up to 1 meter though. It's dust-proof, mud-proof, so if you do happen to get it dirty, you can just run it under fresh water and let it air dry. So cool thing about this, you can actually take the windscreen off. So if you're not doing fast motion sports or anything, or say you're vlogging, you could just use it just like this and just talk to it, but I definitely recommend to have the windscreen on. Now, if you do happen to get this mic dirty, you could also run this underwater. This is also waterproof. Just Sennheiser recommends to not use any soap. Just run it under fresh water and let it air dry. So it has like a shock absorber here, so the mic kind of can absorb any, say, bumpiness if you're, say, mountain biking or snowboarding, and the mic won't pick up any of those vibrations. All right, so I think I covered the basics about the mic. I showed you how to get it attached, a little info about the mic, and I want to get into these side-by-side tests. So I built this state-of-the-art side-by-side test rig here. I got a Hero 4 black here, Hero 4 black here. The one on the left has the Sennheiser MKE2 Elements action mic on there. The one on the right is just going to be standard audio from the internal GoPro mic. Right now you're listening to the new Sennheiser action mic. And right now you're listening to the GoPro Hero 4 with its built-in mic in the waterproof housing. Now we're switching back to the action mic, and I'm pretty sure there's a really big difference. So what we're looking at here is how good the audio quality is when there's a ton of wind, and basically switching back and forth between the two waterproof housings to see which one's going to sound better. But right now there's like a ton of wind. I'm going about maybe 10, 12 miles an hour. Let's speed it up a little bit. And yeah, I'm sure you're getting a good idea of what the sound is like between the two GoPros. We're going to be riding. Diana's going to be a little bit further behind. We're going to see if it can pick up her voice and my voice, and see how good that does. Yeah, we just decided to go out and get some coffee. You can't hear me anymore? No. Just say stuff. Too much wind. Just say what Yeah, so we're still experiencing a lot of wind.
No cars before, now there's so many.
I know. Alright, so I think you guys kind of get a good idea on how well this GoPro mic sounds. I listened to the shots, I listened to the audio, and it sounds really, really good. Now, there is one last test that I want to do, and to be honest with you, I'm a little afraid, but I do have high hopes for Sennheiser. So what I'm going to do is just dunk it into this little bowl of water, see if it hopefully no water gets inside, but see how the audio works. We're gonna see if the mic is gonna continue picking up, audio, and here we go. Here we go. Here's the test. I hope I sealed it right. So you should still be able to hear me, I guess. A little bit, might be a little muffled under the water. But it's still recording. No issues yet. Probably look really weird from the GoPro. It's still recording, so yeah. It's definitely waterproof. But yeah, it's still intact, still working. There it is. Still recording. I wonder how it sounds now that there's water on the mic windscreen. I wonder what that sounds like. So it looks like it was a success. Sennheiser, awesome job. You guys killed it with this mic. All right, so before I go, I just want to talk a little bit more about the mic. So the mic is only compatible with the Hero 4 right now. And supposedly they're working on one for the Hero 5, which I would be really excited about if they actually do that. Now, one thing about the mic is it's a bit expensive. It's $200. It's not really out yet. It's only available for pre-order. I believe it's going to be released on the 24th. But anyway, what do you guys think of the mic? I think it's pretty sick. I think it's a really great mic for the GoPro Hero 4. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. If you're interested in picking one of these mics up, I'll have a link down in the description. And if you want to know a little bit more about the mic, I'll link to Sennheiser's YouTube channel. That'll also be down below. And I want to give a huge shout out to Andrew for hooking me up with this mic to be able to even do this review. So Andrew, thank you so much. You are awesome. I'll have his channel linked down in the description as well. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.